Good evening. I'm Ginger Gadsden. Matt Austin and Lisa Bell have the night off. Those big events come amid an unprecedented surge in COVID cases here in Florida. 125,000 cases were reported in the week that ended on Friday. That is a 323% jump, and experts blame the highly contagious Omicron variant. The positivity rate spiked to just shy of 14%, up from 5% the week before. Tonight, we know Orange County Mayor Jerry Demings and Dr. Raul Pino of the Florida Department of Health are planning to give us an update tomorrow afternoon on efforts to combat Omicron. Now, but hours before that happens, expect to see more long lines as people try to get tested at a newly reopened site at the Econ Soccer Complex in East Orange County. It hit capacity hours before the planned cutoff. So did Orange County's main testing site at Barnett Park. Sky 6 spotted cars waiting sometimes hours for their turn. News 6's Treasure Roberts is at Barnett Park and tells us how Omicron is not just a concern for Orange County.
The rush to get tested during this holiday season has caused super long lines at testing sites like Barnett Park, which closed Monday afternoon because it reached capacity early. Now, I spoke to some people who say they believe getting tested is necessary as Omicron looms, but getting into testing sites is a hassle. The Omicron variant is rapidly spreading nationwide, and COVID-19 cases are spiking here in Florida. Several people say they're worried about their status, especially after gathering with family and friends for the holidays.
My wife's feeling a sore throat, and we had friends over for the holidays.
I had a couple of people in my family too that tested positive, so I'm just trying to make sure.
Thousands of people are pressed for testing, overwhelming sites like Barnett Park. Monday, the site reached capacity around 1 in the afternoon.
I'm happy I got here today as early as I did because it's really hard to find testing just anywhere right now.
Orange County expanded testing Monday, opening another site at Econ Soccer Complex as the demand for COVID-19 testing rises.
Barnett Park has been worse, so I'm glad that this one opened up.
But staff even turned hundreds of people away at the soccer complex about an hour before closing because it too reached capacity. The Florida Department of Health reported more than 125,000 new COVID-19 cases last Friday.
We all got pretty comfortable with the fact that we weren't spreading the virus very much. Our numbers were low. You walk into a store, almost nobody has a mask on. It felt pretty comfortable. And then we get this very transmissible virus.
The Oviedo Fire Department Medical Director, Dr. Todd Husty, warning everyone the virus is causing breakthrough infections in people who are vaccinated.
No, it's not a hassle for me. I'd rather be safe than sorry.
And while some people are happily willing to wait in line for a test, others say the structure of the site at Econ Soccer Complex is a headache.
We were spending probably like 20 minutes at a time, like stopped, and then we would just be stopped with the people that are trying to cut in front of you. So.
Both Barnett Park and Econ Soccer Complex will be open at 9 a.m. on Tuesday if you want to get tested, but you can expect long lines. In Orange County, Treasure Roberts getting results, News 6.
While cases are spiking much faster and higher than earlier waves, there is somewhat good news about our hospitals.